Ready to take a break? Here's how to log out of Discord within a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to log out of Discord. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, locate the Discord icon on your device and tap it to open. Make sure you are on the home screen of the app. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the settings icon. This opens the user setting menu where you can customize and manage your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu and look for the logout button and click on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to log out. Confirm by tapping the logout button and you will be redirected to the login screen. So this is how to log out of Discord. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.